6.25. There's probably
kind of.
It should set.
That's 100%.
There's also all this stuff over here.
Right. Yeah.
You don't want it to squat too much because then you lose your ground clearance.
Yeah. I think my favorites are
It's all right, they ain't gonna touch water. They won't.
that's wild. I'd love to do an FPV.
We're gonna get you the music. We're gonna set it to it. There you go. I think you got too much body.
That could be it too.
What transmission do you have in that one?
Knockoff deluxe nod. No overdrive. Super light.
Oh. This is probably the threshold that you want to like try it now, switch inserts with me, try it again, and see if it's.
I don't like they're doing bad though because the tires that are getting grip are getting grip.
Are they getting grip? Okay.
It is unloading the front end so bad.
Yeah. I mean, I see him deform whenever he like really catches.
Yeah, I mean they grab, they're not doing bad.
And this is the stiffer version, right?
This is 7%. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have a 6.5?
I can make whatever. I can make 6.117224 if you wanted. You know, like you can get.
Dial 'em in.
You can really dial them in if you
Okay.
even can feel a difference between 6.5 and 7, or 6.5 or 6.25. There's probably some kind of math equation that goes between weight, compression, and
yeah.
percentage. But
And where you're at, what you like.
yeah, I didn't know Revolver Dan. All I know is Fusion Dan.
Well, he was Fusion Dan, then he was Revolver Dan, and he was about your Fusion Dan.
Yep.
You know, as you've been with Burnett your whole life, sometimes you gotta try a bomb.
Yeah, you know, sometimes.
And then you go, you know what? I kind of like Burnett's better.
That was a mistake. I can't get my.
It should settle out. There it goes.
Yeah. So it'll do it if you get up to that point. You gotta get up to that point.
Yep.
That still was nice.
Let's let the camera fuck him up for a minute.
Yeah.
And you go back down the
Yeah,
side
fuck
again.
me up.
Noise.
Yeah, I can already see these tires got a lot more compression. See that rear passenger wheel?
Work.
Exactly what I needed to have.
Fucking flying Pringles.
He's producing Pringles. That's 100%. It's my sliders. My boat sliders that I specifically got for clearance.
also all this stuff over here, where all of these inclines.
Oh yeah, but I think we come back to that. Don't we got to go that way first?
Yeah, I'm open to whatever though.
Like, look at that front tire. Like, it's got.
Excuse
No,
me.
it's working, dude.
Right. Yeah.
You don't want it to squat too much because then you lose your ground clearance.
Yeah.
When it's sitting there, it should only be a hair squat. That's how mine are, and they work good. Yeah, I mean when you put lean on it, if anything, I'd go to the 6.5 if you win anything,
Yeah.
or 6 3/4. He said he can make anything he wants.
Yeah.
Take a quarter out of it. I mean, I hate to go to that much detail, but you.
Watch the tire wrinkle.
I feel like I did it like twisties.
Technical twisty stuff.
I think my favorites are getting your front up something, and you've got the. Are you going up it?
Yeah. Better not bite off too much. I gotta try that one.
I'd say try to use your sidewall on your driver front up against that little tiny wall. Once you get your front up.
Right here.
Yeah, right about there. See what it does. Now try turning into it. That's a hole. See what it does straight? Like just leave them like that.
And she'll give it a pop off of it.
That's a overdrive line. For sure. You make that. A little bit that way. Definitely needs some overdrive.
I gotta take the old man line up. The paper tag route. It's alright, they ain't gonna get me right.
I wonder if I can make my rear link riser and offset servo work on my cab truck. I'm worried about the cage.
It's the first time them tires ever touch water. Let alone mud.
is nigh impossible. That's wild. I'd love to do an FPV camera one day.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
Or a POV. Yeah, no, FPV.
Just put a little camera on the top. With a headset.
Have goggles.
I saw someone that used a sim rig and they connected it to their
Or have it on the
I
inside.
thought that was awesome. You have to clean it and get.
I didn't, but I'm longer wheelbase. There he goes. There you go.
That's so cool.
Oh, I ain't gonna never get up there.